Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what my evening routine looks like. Making dinner and getting the kids from daycare and from school and doing homework and everything. Oh my goodness, I don't know why me didn't want to run when me at 16, because being an adult is not easy. Okay guys, so I just got my gas. All week I needed gas. I didn't buy any gas because I was like watching the price, and it was like 141, and I'm like, man, no, I'm not buying it, not buying it. But guess what happened to me, guys? I ran out of gas, and even though the gas is 144, guess what? I have to buy it because I don't have any gas. Okay, my tank is full, and now I'm gonna go home and start to do some preparation, okay, for dinner. So I just got home, had a long morning at school, and guys, as I promised you guys, I will buy some bigger scrub tops so I stop squeezing. Blessing, I did. So usually when I'm leaving, if I remember, I will take out my meat to defrost, and that just makes it so much easier when I get home to start preparing. Nobody can really done housework. Housework is just always gonna be there. So always dishes to put away. I don't usually leave dishes in my sink, so I just had like 2 cups or so. I'm just washing those out and my lunch container and stuff like that, because I just like to get all that out of the way before I start cooking. Okay, so this is what my chicken looks like when it's all cut up, and now I'm gonna wash it with some vinegar. Okay, so the chicken is all good to go, and I'm going to be currying it. So I have my black pepper, my Caribbean spice, salt, and my curry from Clarendon, because for some reason my husband thinks that Clarendon seasoning is better or the best somehow. But I grew up with St. Catherine season all my life, and it was good. So I don't know where I get that from, but okay. And now I'm gonna put my curry powder. I think that should be good. 1 big spoon. I'm just gonna use one of these fangs to mix up the seasoning because it's curry and I don't want it on my finger. That's good. Okay, so the chicken is all good and set to go. The curry smells really good on it too. Nice. So I'm just gonna leave that like that, and then I have my flour here, and I'm going to add some cornmeal. So I put my cornmeal, and don't forget your salt. Then I just mix it out, and then I start to knead it to make my dough. I really and truly put the caramel in the flour for my husband, because me really know Jamaican man will like white flour dumpling. Okay guys, so that is what my dough is looking like. I'm just gonna cover it. So I've made the dough and I've prepared my chicken. And now it's like almost 2 o'clock, so I'm gonna head out to get the kids. Hi, Mickey. How was daycare? It's good? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Maybe I have a surprise for you. Huh? Do I have a surprise for you?
Yeah.
You think so? Yeah. Come in, come. Let's get in. Whenever I pick up Mickey, I drop Mickey. Mickey expect to get something. What do you say?
Thank you.
Yeah. I forgot that the school bus wasn't running and I didn't come to get you guys.
Oh my God.
Joe is asking about Bianca. Oh. Jojo got a girlfriend. Oh. Mickey, Mickey, you gotta pick up your stuff off of the floor. Pick up your stuff off of the floor and put it away, and then you can have a snack, okay? Mickey is there ready to get her snack. So usually I have a list on the fridge for the boys when they get home from school. So it's to empty their lunch bag. Guys, calm down. And to wash it. And then prepare clothes for school the next day. And take shower, right? So pretty much that's it for them to do on their own. Like they need help with homework and reading and stuff like that. Joe, you wash out that some already? It that no wash. So, no, what's the rush? What's the rush? Okay, guys, so I have my pot on. I'm just gonna put some curry powder to burn in the oil. Because when I come in, just what? So I put some water on it and then I'm just gonna cover it up and let it cook. Joe, please, enough with the noise, okay? Dumpling in. Let's look at the curry chicken, guys. Try if you stir it up. Oh yeah. Time to take a bath. Time to take a bath.
My baby.
Time to take a bath.
Baby.
Mickey, what's on your face? What did you put over your eyes? Huh? What did you put on your face?
It's lipstick.
Lipstick?
Yeah.
What? Why do you need lipstick, Mickey? Huh? What do you need lipstick for? Huh?
It's just little makeup.
It's just little makeup.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. God help me.
Ow!
Joe, you're not supposed to stand on the couch.
Hey, stop!
Since I got home, I've been up on my feet in the kitchen cooking and everything. And then I started having some Braxton Hicks contractions. So I really had to come and just lie down and take a few moments to just try to rest and relax my body. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Okay, so dinner ready.
This was Mickey.
Pick up the blanket off the floor. Pick up my pillows. Fix the carpet, and then you come and sit down and eat your food. I don't care who did it. Just clean up. You look lazy self.
Hey, I have a PS5, guys.
Just eat the food, man. The right amount of pepper on the chicken, guys. May I tell them?
I like pepper.
Oh yeah. The kids have calmed down after dinner because soon it will be their bedtime and thing. So them just watch local TV until that time, guys.
You don't want to which line of the story, which line of the book you like.
So what? So what?
The man says, my money.
So what does that have to do?
The man tells me, this I don't like, I don't feel either.
You saying that can help me study? The money I can be for me,
Then
when me
what
pass.
they say, yeah, what the man says?
Eh.
You sit up and lose in the night, the rest every night, and when the woman book go viral, you say, no, I know him.
7:59 is just 1 minute away from 8 o'clock, and it's 8 o'clock is bedtime. Because I have lots of schoolwork to do, so on my computer and stuff. So I'm gonna go brush my teeth and get ready. No, it's not, Mickey. I'm trying to do my homework, Mickey. Vaseline in there? I don't know.
You dirty did it.
Yeah, Jojo did that? Okay. I'm doing homework, Mickey. You just want to say the curry better than St. Catherine curry. That's what you want to say? Yeah, whatever. I had a long day and now I'm ready for bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.